is Harit Karamiche from Demirdokum company. We as a Demirdokum, the first time we are in Egypt. We are one of the leader companies in the HVAC sector. So we are member of the Violent group. It's origin for Germany. There are many people to participate visit this fair. I think the people realize of this potential on this fair. That's why they make some effort to participate this. Planning to participate again this fair is the HVAC Egypt fair again.